Hi everyone, welcome to the Chevron STEM Zone at the 2016 Nature Valley First Tea Open. I'm Leonardo.
And I am Antonio.
Antonio, what with all the soccer balls behind us?
It's the STEM bounce exhibit, which measures the effect of pressure on the bounce of a soccer ball.
Sweet. How does it work?
When a ball hits the ground, the ball stops moving and the compressed air inside the ball expands, transferring energy back to the ball. That's how you get a bounce.
That's Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
You are so smart.
So cool. The Chevron STEM Zone in an awesome way to learn about science, technology, engineering, and math. Thanks, Chevron.